You're sick, stuffed up, wrapped in a blanket like a sad burrito. Someone brings you your favorite food. Your eyes light up. This is going to be amazing. You take one big, hopeful bite. Nothing. It tastes like cardboard or wet paper or absolutely nothing at all. Your tongue is right there. It hasn't gone anywhere. So why does the food taste like nothing? Most people blame the tongue, but the tongue is not the problem. The real culprit is hiding up in your nose the whole time. And here's where it gets weird. Here's a fact your tongue doesn't want you to know. Up to 80% of what you call taste is actually smell. Your tongue can only detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. That's it. 5 things. But your nose can detect over 1 trillion different smells. So what you experience as flavor is tongue plus nose working together. And the sneaky part? The nose does its job from the inside. When you chew food, smell molecules float up through the back of your throat, but right up to your olfactory receptors hiding at the top of your nose. Scientists call this retronasal smell. The smell going the wrong way on purpose. Without this reverse smell trick, even pizza would taste like plain bread. Your brain takes both signals and combines them into flavor. Remove the smell part, and flavor basically collapses. Which is exactly what happens the moment you get a blocked nose. When you get sick, your immune system goes to war. The immune system sends armies of white blood cells to fight the virus, but the battle makes your nasal lining swell up like a water balloon. And then the mucus floods in. Mucus is actually supposed to help. It traps germs like sticky flypaper, but it also blocks all the smell molecules trying to reach your brain. No smell molecules getting through means brainy gets nothing. Your tongue is still sending taste signals just fine, but without the smell data. Flavor is like watching a movie with no sound. Wait, actually it gets even weirder than that. Even if your nose wasn't blocked, your sick food would still taste wrong. Because your immune system releases chemicals called cytokines. Cytokines are like text messages your immune cells send each other. We're under attack. Everyone to your stations. One cytokine is called TNF, tumor necrosis factor. TNF's job is to help defeat the virus. It's great at that. But TNF also sneaks into your taste buds and cranks up the bitter dial. Suddenly everything tastes more bitter than normal. Your chocolate now tastes weirdly dark. Your juice tastes sour. Scientists think this is actually on purpose. Making bitter things taste worse might stop you from eating bad stuff while sick, because bitter taste originally evolved to warn us about poison. Your immune system is basically keeping you away from sketchy snacks. Thanks, immune system. Really helpful timing. But wait! The immune system isn't done messing with you yet. The inflammation also causes your actual taste buds to swell up. Swollen taste buds don't work as well. They get kind of lazy. Salty foods seem less salty. Sweet things seem weaker. Everything gets kind of muffled, like flavor wearing earmuffs. And if you're really sick, your mouth gets dry. Saliva is actually crucial for tasting. It dissolves the food chemicals. No saliva means taste buds can't even pick up the flavor signals. So now you have 3 problems piling on at the same time. Blocked nose, swollen taste buds, dry mouth. Poor food never had a chance. Now here's the part that surprised even the scientists. COVID-19 caused millions of people to completely lose their taste and smell. Not just reduced, completely gone. Even with a clear nose. Scientists were confused. How is that possible without congestion? Harvard researchers figured it out in 2020. COVID doesn't attack your smell nerve cells directly. It attacks the support cells around them, like pulling out the scaffolding. Without support, the smell receptors stop working, even though they're not damaged. Like unplugging a lamp, the bulb is fine, but there's no power. The good news, in most people, the support cells grow back, and smell and flavor slowly return. Here's the last twist, and it's the sneakiest one. Your body might be making food taste bad on purpose to save energy. Fighting an infection uses a huge amount of energy. Digesting food also uses energy. Energy your body could use for fighting. So your body literally turns down the enjoy eating signal. You stop feeling hungry. Food stops appealing. This is actually your body being smart, not broken. Animals do the same thing. Even your dog goes off food when sick. Ancient Blob's body figured this out millions of years ago. So next time you can't taste anything, your body is basically running a master plan. So let's recap what's actually happening when food tastes like nothing. Your nose is blocked, so smell molecules can't reach your brain. TNF cranks up bitterness, so everything tastes kind of awful. Your taste buds swell up and your mouth dries out, and your body deliberately turns off the enjoy food signal. 4 separate attacks on your sense of flavor, all at once. Your tongue had nothing to do with it. Poor tongue. Now, here's the most surprising fact from this entire video. If you pinch your nose closed while eating a jelly bean, you cannot tell the flavor. Release your nose, and the flavor explodes back. You just simulated being sick, using only your fingers. So your nose isn't just for smelling roses and avoiding bad socks. It is literally half your sense of taste, maybe more. The next time you eat something amazing, thank your nose first. And when you're sick and food tastes terrible, remember your body isn't broken. It's running the master plan. Drink water, get rest, let the immune squad do their thing, and your flavor will come back stronger than ever.